Hello everyone, this is Fender. It's still Thursday morning, November 15th, 2018, time 10:47 a.m. This video is on a prediction I made in the year 2009. And this prediction was on a coming earthquake, which I believed will happen between the years 2009 and 2017. What you guys and gals see before you now is my Twitter account called Fender'S News. Okay, and I made a live stream recording actually 42 minutes ago. And yeah, so in this live stream, or recorded live stream, you guys and gals will see in a few seconds from now, is a video of me basically proving or demonstrating that yes, I did predict it. Earthquake will hit New York City or around New York City between 2009 and 2011. Must give you guys forewarning, this live stream was giving me problems when I made it 43 minutes ago, so I'm going to have to skip something. A few seconds in this video. I'll play it now.
Hello everyone, this is Fender. It's Thursday morning, November 15th, 2018, time 10:06 a.m. here in New York City, my city, which is the greatest city in the world, located in the greatest country in the world. Yeah, babies. This video is on a dream which was given to me several years ago. And I was impressed by this dream so much so that I decided to make a video on it. And the video I made on this particular dream, I have burned the video onto this DVD in the year 2009. And this dream that I had, which was on it about earthquakes, or I predicted earthquakes would take place pretty soon. Anyway, as you guys and gals see that this DVD is labeled the NSC Crusaders Pro Civil Defense Program Disc A. And here in this live stream, I want to try to prove to you guys and gals that, yes, I have indeed predicted in the year 2009 that a major earthquake, or a big earthquake, will take place between the year 2009 and 2017. Okay, so let me take this DVD, just one moment, take this DVD here and put it into my computer. Now, okay, DVD is in the computer now. Okay. Alright, so what you guys and gals see is the official NSC Crusaders YouTube channel. Okay. DVD is ready to play. Alright, see? So, I'm trying to prove to you guys once again that this video was made in the year 2009. As you guys and gals see, it says, for real profit.
NSC Crusaders proudly
Let me speed it up.
Install safety features in your... Do not have injuries from broken glass. Faint possibility.
Okay.
Put on sturdy shoes before. Clean up spills of hazardous or flammable liquids immediately. Be prepared for aftershocks, which often follow an earthquake. I believe that it's a faint possibility for an earthquake to hit New York or around New York. And if the earthquake does hit New York or around New York, I believe it can happen between the years 2009 and 2017.
Right. Okay, so this video was burned. Well, this video was posted in NSC Crusaders YouTube channel on October 15th, 2011. Okay, so I'll play this here. Okay, it's called NSC Crusaders Pro Civil Defense Program, Earthquake Volcanic Ash Part A 2 of 5.
which often follow an earthquake. I believe that it's a faint possibility for an earthquake to hit New York or around New York. And if the earthquake does hit New York or around New York, I believe it can happen between the years 2009 and 2017.
Right. Okay. And I made a video of the earthquake that has hit the East Coast in 2011. Okay. The video is called Parish's Other Sign East Coast Earthquake. This video was published by me on August 25th, 2011 in my primary YouTube channel called Captain Parish. You know, the earthquake that took place in Virginia is just the beginning. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, this is me again. I forgot to add this footage of a video of the White House shaking. You can see the people walking upon the roof of the White House. And I will show you guys a clip of... Right, one moment please. Alright, okay, so I just Googled 2011 East Coast earthquake. Okay, Virginia earthquake, Wikipedia. Okay, it says 2011 Virginia earthquake. On August 23rd, 2011, a magnitude 5.8 earthquake hit the Piedmont region of the U.S. state Virginia at 1:51:04 p.m. local time. And it says area affected was Canada and United States. So this was a real big earthquake. And yes, I predicted that an earthquake will come to pass, I believe, between the years 2009 and 2017.
Around New York, I believe it can happen between the years 2009. That is saying.
Alright, so there you guys have it. Another prediction of mine coming to pass. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.